In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Amazon Fire TV black screen. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is just try replacing the batteries in your remote. After that, press the power button to see if the TV responds. If you're not sure whether the remote is the problem, try turning the TV on using the physical power button on the bottom or on the left-hand side of the TV. But from here, check the power cable on the back of your TV as well. Just make sure it's fully plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. Sometimes the cable can come loose slightly and cause a black screen. You could also try a different outlet or plug the device into the same outlet just to make sure that it is working. If everything looks good though, you're going to want to do a soft restart. So unplug your TV from the wall for about 60 seconds and then plug it back in and try turning it on again using the power button on the TV itself. If the screen is still black, unplug the TV again and press and hold down the physical power button on the TV again, but this time hold it down for about 30 to 60 seconds. And this will perform a hard power reset and clear the deeper system issues. One last thing that you could try is shining a flashlight close to the screen. If you could faintly see the image, the backlight may be damaged and the TV may need a professional repair, so just keep that in mind. But that is how you could fix a black screen on your Amazon Fire TV. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.